Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video with me. Today we are going to be installing some sway bar end links on my 2005 Tacoma right here. I know she needs the hood to be redone. It's pretty bad. The clear coat and the paint is pretty much gone all over the hood. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just rhino line the whole hood. See if that looks pretty good. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below if I should rhino line it or if I should just repaint it. I'm gonna be replacing my sway bar end links since when I installed my lift like a year ago or two, I ripped one of the boots, and yeah, I've just been neglecting it for some reason. I don't know. Been too lazy to do it or something. But now it's time to do it. Alright guys, here are the sway bar end links that I will be installing today. I decided to go with the Mevotech ones since I've heard they're a pretty good brand. They do come with greaseable fittings that you put on right here and right there. And these are specific, so the one that says 50 at the end will go on the passenger side, and the one that's 49 will go on the driver's side. Guys, the tools that you will be needing for the sway bar end link are a torque wrench, a ratchet to your sockets, a 17mm socket, a 17 wrench, and some vice grips. Alright guys, first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and jack up your truck and put it on some jack stands. Also, sorry guys about the wind, it's pretty windy. Guys, the next thing you want to do is take off your wheel. Alright guys, next thing you want to do is take off this 17mm bolt from the sway bar end link. So to get the other nut of the sway bar end link, I'm going to try to use a wrench because it's a pretty tight spot against the strut and the axle with a socket and a ratchet. Alright guys, so here's the new sway bar link compared to the old one. This one is a little beefier and bigger, and I installed the grease fittings already. I believe it's a 7mm. I am not sure. I just used a crescent wrench to snug them down. Just snug them down, guys. It'll be fine like that. Alright guys, next thing you want to do is just install back your sway bar end link. Just like that. Alright guys, on your sway bar end links, you're going to want to torque these down to 41 foot-pounds. Alright guys, so this is pretty much what the final product for the sway bar is going to look like. I like it because it's a little beefier than the stock, and it has grease fittings to grease it up. Alright guys, so that's pretty much a wrap for this video. For more content, please hit that subscribe button. Also guys, if you guys could give this video a like, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.